Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz E Class 2-litre E220d SE Premium G-Tronic Plus. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Selenite grey metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the selenite grey exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your powered boot lid, and once open you can see you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle does feature a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable as well as memory seats, so once you found that comfortable position you are able to save it, and they are heated as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your volume controls, hands-free options and buttons for your information panel, and of course you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 70,962 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you might need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. As well as this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always travel comfortably. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz E Class 2-litre E220d SE Premium G-Tronic Plus. It's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.